What's the meaning of contextualize? Contextualize. Contextualize.
Contextualize. Contextualize. Contextualize means to provide a background or framework that helps to understand and interpret something within its broader setting or circumstances. It involves examining the situation, environment, and relevant factors that contribute to a particular event or idea. By contextualizing information, we gain a more complete and accurate understanding of it. This can help us to make better decisions, communicate more effectively, and avoid misunderstandings. Overall, contextualization is an important process for ensuring that information is presented in a clear, relevant, and meaningful way. It allows us to see the bigger picture and make sense of complex situations.